Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm the house leader for Foreman. We have two special interests, houses on campus that are focused on sustainability, and that is Foreman and Melhorn across the street. And some things that we do just to focus on sustainable living is making sure we're composting, recycling, and sorting our trash correctly. We also help out with the two campus gardens and take care of the campus chickens. Come on, let's go do a house tour. Alright, starting off strong, this is our kitchen and dining room, and this is Sarah, and she'll tell you a little bit more about this space.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm one of the three in the triple here. And so I'm going to be showing you the dining room and the kitchen space. So this is our dining area. This is where we host our house meetings, and then we also will have house dinners together sometimes. I personally like to do my homework down here because it gives me the ability to spread out. I can put my notebook, my laptop, everything just out. And then behind me, we have all of our teas and our coffees. I personally have a lot of teas, as you can see, but I think it's very fitting for the house. And then if you come over here, this is our island space. This is where we like to eat dinner, snacks. We'll kind of gather around here to chat often. This is where we hosted our lawn party event yesterday, essentially. We spread all the food out, and then it just gave a nice space for everyone to communicate and have fellowship together. And then if you move over here, this is where we make all of our food. We do a lot of baking. A lot of us like to make different kinds of foods. So a lot of times whenever you come downstairs or come to the house, it's smelling very good. If you come in here, this is our fridge space. We'll have like a weekly question. This is our chore chart. And then this is where all of us keep our food. And then we also have an additional freezer for extra space. And then lastly, this is our pantry space where all of us have our individual foods that we get to keep and then like we cook with. Yeah.
Thank you, Sarah, for that. Let's go into the den and the laundry room. Here's Paige just to tell you a little bit more.
Hi guys, so as Danny said, this is our den and laundry room area. So we have our comfy couches in here. We have our TV over there that we watch movies on. We watch TV together. We also have Just Dance and karaoke nights. So that's a bunch of fun. We also have a lot of our plants in here because it's a very good sunlight room. So we have a lot of fun things in here. And then we also, as we mentioned, have our laundry space. So a little bit of practicality as well.
And just to take you down this hallway really quick, we made this closet into a makeshift pantry. So we have this, and then you'll see that we have a bunch of little ducks placed throughout the house. Try and see how many you can find on this tour. That is courtesy of Sarah and Dr. Dins. And we have our cleaning closet right here, and a little bit further we have our bathroom. This is the only bathroom with the shower. Just going a little further, this leads down to the basement, but we don't have access to the basement, so that door's kind of just there. This is my room. I am a film major, so that explains my poster wall. My favorite part of my room is my closet, and specifically my bookshelf. This is the first bedroom of the house, and this is the single/double. Now let's move on to the living room. Here is Amanda to tell you a little bit more about the living room.
Hi, I'm the second person in the triple, and welcome to our second living room. This is where we host game nights, and this is all of our games. They don't all come with the house, as well as our decoration corner, where we always welcome LaMelo Ball and Jared McCain. Sadly, LaMelo's ankles have given out. If you want to come and take a look, may his ankles rest in peace. And as you follow me, there will be some decorations, a big window. We have a nice photo of the Ball family, as well as a built-in branch bookcase. And that's all for our second living room.
Let's go upstairs and check out the other bedrooms. This is the second bedroom of the house. This is the double. And here's Elise just to tell you a little bit more about her room. Oh, hello. Welcome to our double. I'm Elise, and this is my favorite spot in the room because there's a lot of natural light that comes in, so you can sit and look at the deer that are out there. We have a lot of deer that come. And then this is my desk. We have lots of room to put a desk and a mini fridge. I also have a nice spacious closet, and then on that side there's another closet and my roommate Paige's desk over here, and then we have our 2 beds, and outside we have our cars, which are really close, which is really nice, a lot better than D-Lot. Yeah, so it's just a nice space to relax and chill. Thanks, Elise. Now coming in just to check out our second bathroom space. This is our half bath upstairs. And now we're about to see the third bedroom of the house. This is the triple. This is Sarah, Mary, and Amanda's room, and in case you could not tell already by Amanda in the living room, she's just a tad bit obsessed with the Ball family. Come on, let's go check it out. Here is Mary. Fantastic book, by the way. Hi guys. My name is Mary. This is the third room in the house. This is the triple. This is my side, as you can see. We have these lovely crawl spaces, which we can store stuff in, but mostly it's the air conditioners. And then over here we have Sarah's side of the room. She showed you the kitchen. On this side we have a nice makeshift closet for whoever's on this side of the room. And then we also have Amanda's side of the room, which, as you can tell, comes equipped with many cursed photos. And yeah. And of course more photos of the Ball family and Lin-Manuel Miranda. Over here we have the closet that Amanda and I share. And yeah, so it's a very, very spacious room for a triple. Let's head back downstairs so you can just see what our view's like every morning. This is the high tunnel. Every day we help out with the Office of Sustainability by watering the spinach and lettuce. Hi guys, here we have our chickens that we care for. We have about 20 of them. And over here we have the campus bees. Thank you guys so much for coming.